Sairam students. So the lesson, justice above self. So we discussed the two parts. In the second part, the panchayat was held, first panchayat, correct? Then, Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman. It's an extract. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman. Who said this? Alugu Chowdhury said this. Correct? Then, who is the Chachi here? Juman's aunt. Am I right? Correct. How was the friendship between Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chowdhury? The bond of friendship was so strong that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. This was the bond of friendship. Am I right? Now come to the next part. Now they are not friends. They became enemies. What made them enemies? The first panchayat. As Alugu did not give a favorable decision to whom? Juman Sheikh. Juman was angered and he decided to take revenge on whom? Alugu Chowdhury. Correct? Now come to the third part, part 3. Days passed and as ill luck would have it, Alugu Chowdhury was in a tight spot. He sold one of his bullocks to Sanju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock sold by Alugu died within a month. See the 7th paragraph. Days passed after the first panchayat. After a few days, as ill luck, as bad luck, it would be a bad luck, as ill luck would have it. What happened? Alugu Chowdhury was in a tight spot. Who was Alugu Chowdhury? He was the friend of Juman Sheikh in the beginning. Now they were enemies. As, correct? Then, a tight spot means a tight spot means a difficult position. A difficult position. Alugu Chowdhury was in a difficult condition. He was in a difficult position. He faced a difficulty. What did he do in that tight spot? He sold one of his bullocks to Sanju Sahu. Sell, present, sold, past participle. Who sold? He sold. He sold one of his bullocks. Active voice. Past tense. So what should do? He sold what? One of his bullocks. So one of his bullocks. He had many bullocks, more than 2 bullocks, more than 1 bullocks, correct? So he sold one of them, one among them. So one of his bullocks, so it takes B form was. One of his bullocks was sold, this one is past tense, this one is past part, so sold by, he becomes him. One of his bullocks was sold by him, that is a passive form. So he sold one of his bullocks. Why? Because he was in a tight spot. To whom? To Sanju Sahu. Who was Sanju Sahu? He was a cart driver of the village. Ondu bandi, ettina bandiya owner. Cart driver. He was not owner, driver. Cart driver of the village. The understanding was that, on the condition that, on what basis did he sell the bullock? On the understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock when? In a month's time. So he gave a month's time to pay the money to Algu Chaudhary. Who has to pay? Sanju Sahu has to pay within a month. So one of the Sahu would pay the price. Active voice. How to change into passive? Would pay. All the models take be form. So the price would remain same. Next be, the root form would be pay, paid, paid, paid by Sahu. Passive voice. Correct? The price would be paid by Sahu, that is in passive voice. In a month's time. It so happened. What happened? ಹೀಗೆ ಸಂಭವಿಸಿದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? That the bullock sold by Algu. Algu sold the bullock. Sahu, what happened? Died. That bullock died within a month. In a month's time, he has to pay. Within a month, before the payment, the bullock died. Correct? Next, what happened? See in the 8th paragraph. Several months after the death of the bullock, he gave enough time to whom? Sanju Sahu. So many months after the death of the bullock, Algu reminded. Now Algu has to receive the money. Algu has to get the money from Sanju Sahu. He reminded. Remind means ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸು, ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಸಾಹು. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು? Of the money he had not yet paid. He had not yet paid the money. So he reminded. He asked him to pay the money. Yet ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೊಡದಂತ ಹಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟವ. What did Sahu do? I can't pay you a penny. I cannot pay. I can't pay. I am not in a position to pay you a penny. England Nanya. Correct? A penny for the wretched beast. Wretched means? Wretched beast. Adjective ಇದು. ಎಂಥ beast ಅದು? Wretched, miserable, ಅನಿಷ್ಟ, miserable, ಪಾಪಿ, miserable, wretched, beast. Beast means animal. So the sold by, you sold me. So you sold a bullock to me. It died within a month. So it is considered as a wretched beast. ಪಾಪಿ ಅದು. He brought us nothing but ruin. He means whom? The bullock. He brought us nothing. What did it bring then? It brought ruin. Ruin means destruction. Destruction, ನಾಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Or a complete financial loss. A complete financial loss. What did the bullock bring us? It brought us a complete financial loss. It brought us a destruction, nothing else. Sahu said angrily. Sahu was angered by this one. Algu decided, so what? There is no option. So what did Algu do? Algu decided to take the case to the panchayat. He has to get the money. So he was in a tight spot. What should he do? He decided to take the case to the panchayat. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree, the same place. Panchayat kate hogtare. Algu stood up and said, what did Algu say? The voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. The voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. God lives in the heart of the Panch. God speaks through the Panch's tongue, Panch's mouth. Correct? So his word is word of God. Algu stood up and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. Where? At the Panchayat. Let Sahu nominate the head Panch. So he allowed, Algu allowed whom? Sahu to nominate the head Panch, to select the head Panch. Correct? Then, let Sahu nominate the head Panch. I will abide by his decision as said by whom? Whom? His friend. Correct? So, I will abide by his decision. He decided to follow the decision of Sanju Sahu. Sahu saw his chance. Now he considered it is a chance for him. He is lucky. Why? Because, see that. And proposed, propose means suchisu, prastapisu. So proposed the name of Juman. Who proposed the name of Juman? Sanju Sahu. Why did he propose the name of Juman? Because Juman was the enemy of Algu Chaudhary. Sanju Sahu was in expectation of a favorable decision from Juman Sahu. As Juman Sheikh decided to take revenge on Algu Chaudhary, definitely he will give a favorable decision. So Sanju Sahu selected, nominated whom? Juman Sheikh as the head Panch. Sahu saw his chance. He decided to grab the opportunity and proposed the name of Juman. Algu's heart sank. Opposite of sink, sank, sunk. Present tense, past participle. Sink opposite float. Sink. Agata ito. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. Pale means to be depressed. Become whitish. Become whitish. Kalegundu. So Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. Why? Because he did not expect this to happen. Definitely Juman Sheikh would take revenge on me, so I will be the, correct. Then next, I think you understood the two paragraphs. Read the 7th and 8th paragraph silently. Finish. Now come to the next 9th paragraph. The moment Juman became the head Panch, now as per the decision, as per the nomination of Sanju Sahu, Juman Sheikh became the head Panch. He realized means understand. Realize. Realize means understand. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. He realized what? His responsibility. A punch has, the head punch, he has a responsibility. Responsibility noun, responsible adjective, responsibly adverb. So here responsibility, responsible opposite irresponsible, responsible, irresponsible. Don't become irresponsible, be responsible, take responsibility and you will become successful. Correct? So we should be ready to take the responsibility. We should not move away from the responsibility. So responsibility makes a person perfect. Correct? So reading, studying is your responsibility. Why? Because if you consider it is your responsibility, you will become successful in future. If you consider it is the responsibility of our parents, no, they cannot. Why? Because it is your duty, your responsibility. You are responsible, not parents. Correct? They can guide. Everyone can guide, but you should do your work. Am I right? So here, when he took the responsibility as a judge and the dignity of his office, he realized his responsibility. As the head punch, he realized his responsibility and the dignity of his office. So he should work to maintain the dignity. He should not go away from the dignity of the office. He should maintain the dignity of the office. He should work in the office. Correct? As the judge. Dignity, ಘನತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Could he seated in that high place, sitting in that high place, could he show partiality? No. Could he seated in that high place as a judge have his revenge now? Can he take revenge on this man now as a responsible person, as a dignified person? No, he cannot. Why? Because he is the judge. He should be impartial. He decided what? Not to allow. Allow opposite. Allow, disallow. Not to allow his personal, opposite impersonal, personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. So what did he decide? See, what quality do we find in Juman here as a judge? Come in the way of means prevent, interfere, correct word, interfere. So personal feelings should not interfere in speaking truth and doing justice. Correct? It should not be a hindrance. I should be impartial. I should not give personal ideas. I should not give personal emotion. I should not be influenced by personal emotions. This is the judgment. ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ದ್ವೇಷ ಏನಿದ್ರು ಸಹ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅವನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಬೋತ್ ಅಲುಗು and Sahu presented their cases. On the one side Alugu and his party, on the other side whom? Sanju Sahu and his party, they were there, and head punch, they presented their cases before the head punch. Passive, their cases were presented by both Alugu and Sahu, passive wise. Then Juman stood up and announced, after listening to the cases to both sides, after listening to Sanju Sahu, after listening to whom? Algu Chowdhury, Juman said, what did he say? It is our opinion. They discussed with other Panchs that they opined that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. This was the judgment, second panchayat. At the second panchayat, this decision was given. Sahu should pay Algu. There is no other way. He has to pay. He must pay what? The price of the bullock. So the price of the bullock should be paid by Sahu, passive-wise. When Sahu brought the bullock, when Sahu brought the bullock, it suffered from no disability. Disability means weakness, ill health. It was correct, it was strong, it was healthy. The bullock was very healthy at that time. No, it suffered from no disability. ದೌರ್ಬಲ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಅಸೌಖ್ಯತೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿತ್ತು ಆಗ. Or disease. The death of the bullock was unfortunate. It was not fortunate. Fortunate, unfortunate. Fortune, misfortune. Fortunately, unfortunately. What is fortunate? Luck. Correct? Unfortunate, unluck. The bullock was unfortunate, but the death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Alugu cannot be blamed for it. He cannot be blamed for it. So that means passive-wise. We cannot blame whom? Alugu for it, for its death. He is faultless. He cannot be blamed. He was not responsible for the death of the bullock. This was the decision given by Juman Sheikh. That means he was impartial. The seat, the punch seat, the head punch seat made him impartial. He followed truth. He followed impartiality. Correct? Alugu could not. So when he heard the decision, when he listened to the decision given by Juman Sheikh, he felt very happy. What did he do? He could not control his feelings. Alugu could not contain means. Contain means hold, where? Inside. Hold inside. He could not control. He could not control his, he could not repress his, he could not curb his, he could not restrain his, he could not restrict his what? Feelings. Now he was in not a position to restrain. He was in not a position to control his feelings. He felt very happy. He could not understand what to do, how to respond. Why? Because it was an unexpected event. He did not expect this type of decision from his enemy, but he got it. A favorable decision. Alugu could not contain his feelings. How to change into passive? His feelings could not be contained by Alugu, passive voice. He said loudly, shouted loudly. What did he do? Victory to the panchayat. Not victory to Algu Chowdhury. Not a victory to Juman Sheikh. Correct? Victory to the panchayat. This is justice. He said, this is justice. God lives in the voice of the Panch. So definitely God lives in the voice of the Panch. God lives in the heart of the Panch. God speaks through the Panch. What does he speak? He speaks truth. He gives justice. This is the justice. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. Come to the next part, 10th paragraph. Soon after that, after the second panchayat, Juman came to Algu. The second head punch. Correct? Juman came to Algu, his enemy, embraced him, hugged him tightly. ಅಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ತಬ್ಬಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರು? ಜುಮಾನ್. Him and said, since the last panchayat, why was the last panchayat held? To solve the problem between whom? Juman Sheikh and his aunt. Since the last panchayat, since means from the particular point of time till now. Correct? Since the last panchayat till now, I had become your enemy. I was your enemy. I had become your enemy. We were enemies. Today, I realized. Today, I understood what it meant to be a panch. What is the position of a panch? How should he behave while giving judgment, while giving decision, while solving the problem? A panch knows no friend or enemy, but only justice. Opposite justice, injustice. A punch as an head punch, as a head punch, he knows no enemy. He knows no friend. He knows only what? Justice. He looks at justice. He looks at truth. Nobody, no subject, no interference in them. But only justice. Let no one deviate from. What is deviate? Deviate means, it is a verb. Deviate means move away from. Go away from. Deviate from. Deviation noun. Deviate verb. Deviate verb. Yeah. Let no one deviate from the path of justice. Everyone should follow the path of truth and justice. Path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. So we should not go away from truth. We should not go away from justice. We should not look at as enemy or friend. We should follow justice. Enmity noun. Alugu was also in tears. He could not control his feelings. Correct? His tears washed away all dirt of misunderstanding. His tears washed away all dirt of misunderstanding. What is the misunderstanding? That is a feeling. Because of misunderstanding, they became enemies. ಅಪಾರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ತಪ್ಪು ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಅವರು ಶತ್ರುಗಳಾದರು. ಈಗ ಸರಿಯಾಯ್ತು ಅದು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದ experience is the best teacher. So here Alugu experienced one thing and Juman Sheikh experienced, that experience made them correct. Then misunderstanding between them. So now there is no misunderstanding. Now they are become friends as before. Nobody can break the friendship. Something here, these two panchayats, these two decisions made their bond of friendship much more stronger than ever. Why? Because justice made them come together. Correct? I think you understood the lesson. Now read the 9th and 10th paragraph. Finish? Next. We have completed the lesson. Okay, now I will give you one sentence to change into indirect speech. I'll write here. Sahu said. Sahu said, I cannot pay. I cannot pay you a penny. So change this sentence into indirect speech. Okay, one. Number two, one more. She said to me, she said to me, you solved this problem clearly. You solved this problem clearly. So two sentences are given. Change the sentence into indirect speech. Change into indirect. Change into indirect speech. Okay? Saira.